My very first exposure to the Nissan GT-R was probably a lot like yours, playing Gran Turismo. I learned all about the first GT-R, the 1969 Skyline 2000, and became intimately familiar with the R32, R33, and most importantly, the outstanding R34. And now I'm gutted to not be in New York with the rest of the Autoblog team, because they're all there. All of them. Generations 1 through 6 of the GT-R. I can't use that heart eyes emoji here, but that's the only way to describe this gallery. Nissan put together this incredibly impressive display to show alongside the facelifted 2017 GT-R, the only car in its group not to wear the Skyline badge. The vehicles selected are immaculate, starting with the 1969. It's absolutely lovely. So is the far rarer second-generation car, a 1973. Nissan only built 197 of these beauties, compared to the nearly 2,000 first-general GT-RS. The PlayStation generation will be most excited about the R32, R33, and R34 on display. With the R32, we have two huge GT-R firsts. It was the first time Nissan applied all-wheel drive and a twin-turbo, 6-cylinder engine to its high-performance package. That formula would stick through to today's car. The car shown here is a 1989 model, which is the first year for the third general car. It's followed by a gorgeous 1995 R33. It's a looker, this, but not nearly as pretty as the R34, which builds on the look pioneered here. The R34 in question is the rare M-Spec model, named for the Nürburgring and powered by an upgraded version of the RB26 engine. It's not the V-Spec tuner from 2002, but it's still a rare, highly sought-after piece from the JDM's performance glory days. Finally, representing the non-Skyline GT-R generation, we have the prototype for the R35 GT-R Nismo from 2013. Enjoy the camouflage and that frankly ludicrous wing. We have a collection of all 6 cars in the gallery up top. We hope you enjoy it as much as we have.